Hi there, how are you? So I wanted to come on here and just talk to you briefly about 3 products that I chose to talk about that I love from the skincare line. And so I just wanted to give you just a little brief description on them and why they're so good for your skin and why I think you should have them in your skincare regimen. So the first one is the hyaluronic acid. All right, this is the hyaluronic acid. This is a fabulous product because it's non-oily and it's extremely lightweight on the skin. You would use this in the morning after you tone your face. So you would spray your face with toner and then you use your hyaluronic. 1 to 2 pumps because you are going to start at your neck and work your way up. So this is going to intensely hydrate the skin. You know, when you're young, a young child, like my daughter, they have a surge of hyaluronic acid naturally in their skin. We lose it after, I think it's like when we're 17, it starts slowly releasing and going away from us. So you definitely need something like this to help replenish. A lot of people call this Spanx for the face, and it really does deliver. So this is going to improve your elasticity and just give you a fabulous amount of hydration in your skin. So it'll protect you all day. So you'll notice when you wash your face at night, you'll feel it. You will feel it. And just think of that as just helping to not get any pollutants or chemicals on your skin. This is helping to protect from that as well. Okay, so it's going to help to stop the aging process as much as it possibly can. All right, so then there's the night serum. This is our night serum. This has carrot oil, pink grapefruit. It smells super, super yummy. And it's got CoQ10 in it, which is a powerful antioxidant. And what this is going to help to do is it's going to help combat the damaging effects of aging by protecting us from free radicals. So this here is a fabulous product, and the repair job is focused at nighttime. So you definitely only want to use this at night on your skin while you are resting, okay? Because that's the best time to allow your skin to treat itself, is at night when you're resting. The last one is the charcoal detox mask, face mask right here. And I love this product because this really helps with so many different skin challenges that you might be going through. This here is it's got bentonite, charcoal, clay in it, and it's going to help to really focus on revitalizing the skin by removing all that surface cell debris. It's going to definitely improve the texture. So after you remove it, you're going to notice the skin is going to feel so smooth and silky. So after you cleanse your face, you would use your charcoal mask, and then you want to rinse well and pat dry well, tone, and then if you're using it at night, obviously use your night serum. If you're going to, using this during the day, your hyaluronic, and then you treat with your moisturizer and then your eye cream. Okay, so those are the 3 products I wanted to talk to you about. And just in the comments, put any questions you might have that I can answer for you. I am a skincare expert, so this is what I do. This is this is my baby right here. This skincare set. This is all I use on my clients. This is all I use on myself and all I use on my family. I love it. So, any questions, fire away.